This video is going to cover the structures of the eye. We're going to talk about the anatomical features of the eye and the sensory machinery of the eye as well. We are going to discuss the accessory structures of the eye, meaning the various structures that help the eyeball function. We're also going to discuss the eyeball itself. We'll discuss the three individual tunics of the eyeball and the refractory media associated with the eye. Then we'll discuss how vision is created and the anatomical structures that play a role in this conversion of light waves to vision. So this first video is going to cover our accessory structures. The accessory structures of the eye are those structures that are responsible for support and protection of the eyeball. These include the eyebrows. The eyebrows serve to limit glare and also as a perspiration guard or a guard against sweat dripping in the eye. The palpebra, also known as the eyelids, are protective by helping wash tears over the surface of the eye during blinking and also being able to close in a protective mechanism during the day from various debris and etc., and also during sleep. The conjunctiva is a thin, transparent mucous membrane that covers the inner surface of the eyelids and the anterior portion of the eyeball that isn't clear, the part that's exposed to the outside world. The conjunctiva is highly vascular and secretes mucus as a protective mechanism. It also is highly sensitive and innervated. There are 6 extrinsic eye muscles that are also considered to be accessory structures of the eye. You have 4 muscles that are responsible for moving the eye up and down and side to side. These are the rectus muscles. Rectus means straight. You have a superior rectus, an inferior rectus, a lateral rectus, and a medial rectus. You also have 2 oblique muscles. There's a superior oblique and an inferior oblique. These muscles are responsible for rotationally controlling movement of the eye, specifically with regard to adjusting to head movement. The 3 cranial nerves that are responsible for eye movement are the oculomotor nerve, the trochlear nerve, and the abducens nerve. I won't ask that you know which controls which muscle, just collectively that the 3 of these are responsible for eye movement. The last accessory structure for us to discuss is the lacrimal apparatus. The lacrimal apparatus is responsible for producing tears and draining those tears. The lacrimal gland is located superior and lateral to the eyeball. The lacrimal gland produces tears, and these tears drain to the eye through multiple lacrimal ducts attached to the lacrimal gland. These tears then wash over the surface of the eyeball from movement of the palpebra and drain into the lacrimal sac located on the inferior and medial portion of the eye. The lacrimal sac then drains into the nasolacrimal duct and into the nasal cavity. As these tears flow across the eyeball, they help wash away any foreign particles that are there. They deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissue that's not necessarily highly vascular, such as the cornea, this clear portion of the eye. And they prevent infection because they also have an enzyme called lysozyme that is antibacterial. Okay, so that should cover the accessory structures of the eye. Next, we're going to look at the tunics of the eyeball.